ازيكم. How to find and search for freelancing jobs and tasks in Upwork. Upwork is a famous and international website for these tasks. First of all, you have to complete your registration, upload your CV and profile, and add your employment history. So there is AI in this platform which will describe your skills and reach for the best jobs. When you click on search, it will give you the best tasks near you. So I have recently uploaded experience in marketing YouTube or establishing YouTube videos, so he give me this YouTube market. Click on YouTube marketing, then here is the strengths or the best of the Upwork. This in the left, in the right, in the left side. So here experience level, entry level or intermediate. So this is one is very good, posted 2 minutes ago. This one, social monetization, and your role will involve strategizing and implementing effective monetization, devising content for and increasing revenue streams. Okay, so here just 2 minutes, and this payment verified, $5 located in Pakistan. So let's fixed price less than 100. Okay, is it the same or not? It's the same. Okay, so here number of proposals less than 5. Okay, so the people who applied for this task, okay, it's less. Then client info, payment verified, and it's payment verified. Client history, how much? Client 129. Okay, it's fine. Then client location, region. Okay, project length less than 1 month. Okay, hours per week less than 30. All these are here. So social media marketing, okay, open this one and send your proposal. This summarize of this job.